love. So today we're going to do a little Profusion haul. They did send these items my way. I've been meaning to film another Profusion like tutorial, but I have not had time yet. But I wanted to share these guys with you because I was in my local Target yesterday and saw them, a huge display of all of these items. So I wanted you guys to see them now so you have time to grab them because I believe they are holiday releases. So I wanted to share some of them with you. And of course, thank you so much to Profusion for sending me these items. So before we jump into this little haul, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel, and I love affordable makeup. Of course, I love some expensive makeup too. I love all makeup. So if you're like me, let's be friends. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Be friends. Let's do this. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm just going to grab things out and show you. This is their beautiful brows kit. I do feel like this is going to be a much better match for me than the last one I got because this one is in light to medium and my hair is obviously blonde / silver, whatever right now. It's looking pretty blonde because my toner has faded, but I'm going to obviously tone it again. So it's going to be a little more cool toned, hopefully a little more even. And then there's obviously pink, but I think that this is going to match much better. Not to mention this comes with a pencil. So you get a pencil. I don't know how much this is, but I'll try and put it on the screen so you guys can know. All of their stuff is like $5 to 10 bucks. I don't know if they have anything over $10. And if they do, you're going to get a ton of products. Ooh, I'm excited. So you get all 3 of these. Here's a little angled brush. It looks really nice. It's nice and stiff, which I love. I hate when brow brushes are not stiff. Like I need to be able to get that product on my brow. And then here's the little brow palette that you get, which looks so good. So you get a primer, a brow light, a taupe powder, and a soft brown. And honestly, the only brow colors that I seem to use these days are taupes or soft browns. So I feel like this is going to be a really good little palette for me. Ooh, the brow light is pigmented. Those look pretty pigmented. I'm excited, you guys. Let's look at this little pencil too. God, I can't imagine that this is more than $10 for them because they always have such affordable products. This is their brow defining pencil. So it's got kind of that teardrop shape that some brow pencils have, like the Brow Definer or the It Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil. I think if I use it softly, it'll work for me because, I mean, my brows are pretty dark today. I have naturally dark brown brows, obviously, because I am naturally a brunette. But I'm excited to use this guy. It's got a spoolie. It feels pretty solid. Like, how cool is that? I feel like brow products that go through so quickly that I'm always looking for a new brow product to try. I'm liking that, so let's keep moving. This guy I was so excited to see. This is their Temptress palette. I love all of their palettes that are like this that I have tried. So this one is Temptress. Let me get this little plastic thing out of here. There's one, and I think is it Confidence? I don't know, but it's the super warm tone one that your girl, I want to get it. I really don't need it, but I saw it at Target and I was like, get in my cart. But this one also comes with one of the brushes. I love this brush. This side is so good for cutting the crease or packing on the lid shade. And then this blender is really nice. I'm really loving the brushes that come in these palettes. So this is what the inside looks like. This one's really great because you get your warm neutrals, but you also have some fun shades or some blues, some purples. Ooh, this minty shade, girl. I'm gonna swatch some of them for you. Girl, did you, oh, that's pretty. Ooh, girl. I was so impressed when I did that last video, which is still on my channel, of course, where I tried Profusion out. I was just completely blown away at the pigmentation and how these palettes are like $10 and you get so many shades. Like it's just, look how pigmented. I already swatched it and they're still just like staining my fingertips because they're so pigmented. That reminds me of Electric Eel from MAC. That's crazy. Let's swatch another purple. There's light shades, light purples in this palette, and those aren't swatching as good. That doesn't mean that they aren't going to swatch good on the eye. You never really know. Swatch a brown. Ooh, girl, that shimmery shade right there is gorgeous. Conquest. It's got some glitter in it. Those super glittery ones are a little flecky, a little piecey, but once you blend them out, they're not as glittery. Oh, I would apply them wet. I think I'm going to apply them with sticky base or apply them wet because the glitter kind of falls off of them. But they are really pretty. And for the most part, all of those, especially, ooh, that mint green, girl. That mint green. So pretty. We're going to have to do a look with this palette. I also love that their holiday palettes that they just put out all have this glitter around the outside. How cute is that? Again, $10. $10. We have a lip kit and bear. I'm going to swatch these puppies for you. These lip kits are like $5, guys. You get a lip liner, a lipstick, and a liquid lipstick. Or this one's a lip strobe? It's a lip strobe, girl. I really, really like their lip liners, but they feel soft like a gel formula. Maybe they're not. Excited, but they remind me a lot of the Wet n Wild gel ones. Maybe that's all it is. And what's cool is these little kits come with everything you need. You have a lip liner, you have a lipstick, and then you have either a gloss, or sometimes they will come with a liquid lipstick. This looks like a matte. Let's see. It smells good, guys. So there's the lipstick. There's the lip liner, the lipstick. The scent of these smell so good. Oh my goodness, you guys. Yeah, it's just a lip gloss. Gloss, lipstick, lip liner. It smells, okay, I've been making caramels lately. I had decided I was going to master caramels, so I have made them 4 times. 4 times. The 3rd time was actually my best time. The 4th time was good. So I'm going to master it. This lip product smells exactly what it smells like when you mix the vanilla into the caramel. Oh, it smells so good. Yes, yes, queen. Yes, queen. It smells amazing. They killed it with the scent on that. The next thing we're gonna look at is Merlot Eyes. So they also released some new palettes that look like this. This is the first one that I'm going to try that actually is in the tin casing. It's in like the Naked 2 kind of packaging. 10 shades in here. You can see. Another brush. Is this one the same? I think this one looks a little different. Yeah, this one is a little different. It's got kind of like a fluffy shadow brush with a slightly smaller blender. So I'm excited to try this brush in here. And here's what the actual palette looks like. This shade looks so pretty. Please swatch. Oh, girl. I hate when like there's a shadow like that which looks so beautiful in the pan and then you go to swatch it and it just like, it'll transfer to your finger, but then it like won't. I think I'm gonna have to pack it on. But that's still pretty. It's still a subtle glow, and look how pretty it is on my fingertip. Wow. Okay, if you apply it wet, holy crap, look at that. That's beautiful. So good to know that this is just one of those shades that you're gonna have to apply wet to get the pigmentation that it looks like in the pan, but that's beautiful. All right, love, so there are all of the shades in this palette. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So pretty. So if you're looking for a really affordable palette that's going to give you those reds and those pinks that have been everywhere lately, here you go. And then it's got, that's like a signature Shannon lid shade right there. That super metallic champagne gold glittery goodness is just what I live for in a lid shade. So I am super pleased with this palette. I can't wait to try this one. Be careful when you dip into recharge with your fingertip, because that, I just like got so much product up and just, whew. But those are gorgeous. So impressed by this brand. I feel like I used to see them like way back in the day at like Burlington Coat Factory and like their makeup section where everything's like super cheap and busted and stuff like that. And I feel like they must have just rebranded. I've heard that they've been around for a long time. They're new to Target, but they've been around for a really long time. And I feel like that's where I had seen them before. But they're killing it now, girl. They're killing it. All right, so the next thing we have is this mixed metals set. It is the Silver Sparkle set. It looks like it comes with a glitter liner, a brush, and then this palette with eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlight. I'm excited to try their blush. This blush in this palette looks gorgeous. Gorgeous, girl. So I'm excited. And that glitter liner looks beautiful. We might have to pop a little bit on just to see, because your girl likes to know what's up. Let's start with that glitter liner. Right there. That's some glitter. I'm going to put some on. I'm going to add some extra because I have diamond dust on from Stila, but mine's all dried up. I'm going to pop a little bit more on my inner corner in my lower lash line. This one's much more silver. I like it. I like it. That's got quite a bit of glitter in it. Look at that. So we're excited. We'll let that dry and see what it looks like. And then it comes with a fluffy blender, which looks like a really nice one. It's a little dense, but sometimes I really like that to just like get that color in the crease. So I'm definitely excited to try that because again, I have been loving their brushes. And then this is the mixed metal set. Look how pretty and bright those shades are. Ooh, I'm excited for that blush. This just looks so up my alley. I love like a nude blush. You're not gonna be able to really see it. It's like down here. I can try and pile it on. Let's swatch that highlight. The highlight's definitely going to be too gold for me. There's the blush, there's the highlight. Definitely too much for me, but that blush is going to be perfect. I always mix a white with that highlight if I want kind of a golden highlight. But let me swatch. Ooh, this white, like cream shade is looking super pigmented. Wow. Profusion, blowing it out the water. Ooh, these bright shades. Please swatch good. Blues never seem to swatch really well, so don't take that too much. But look at those. Those are some nice shades, guys. This looks like a really fun palette. Oh, that blush is just like my perfect blush shade, so I'm really excited to try that. Little guy. And then the glitter liner. I bet this kit's like 10 bucks because most of their stuff is $5 or $10. I'm wondering what other ones they have because I really like that glitter liner. I kind of want to check more of them out. All right, love, so that is everything that Profusion sent over. Please let me know what your guys' favorite products are from Profusion. I would love to try more. I honestly have liked everything that I have tried, except for the last brow kit, but it just was too dark for me, so I think I'm gonna like this one a lot more than that one. But any of their eyeshadows, like for the most part, I am really loving their stuff, and I can't get over how affordable they are, and it's so nice that they're at Target. They are not at every Target, I know that. I live near the biggest Target in town, so my Target has it, but then like the Target that I used to live by in the valley does not, and the north side does not. So it just depends. Hopefully a Target near you has it so you can try it. If not, they are available on target.com, along with Profusion does have their own website, and they do run sales just like any other person would, so just keep an eye out for that. But yeah, let me know what you're most excited about. Let me know if you want another Profusion tutorial, and I will do that for you guys. Anyway, I think that's everything. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Glitter lips, yo. Can you see them? I put on the Ciate glitter flip, and then it wasn't as glittery as I wanted it to, so I took just a little, and then I just tapped this tiny, is it Star Crushed Minerals? Yeah, Star Crushed Minerals, the glitter in sprinkles, so it's like pastel, all different shades. This literally smells right when you, smells, of course, thank you to Profusion for sending me the item, let me know what your favorite product is from what your favorite product is. I can't speak.